In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to pay with Klarna on the Dhgate. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. You will be able to find the Dhgate and pay with Klarna by using the latest version of the Klarna mobile app. Open the app, go into the shop category, and by using the search products bar at the top, you can look for Dhgate. It should be the first website listed on the Explore tab, and all that you have to do is select it in order to be redirected to its website, where you can browse through all of the products and make your payment using Klarna. When you arrive at the website, you can browse through all of the products and you will be able to use Klarna to finish your order. As you can see, the Pay with Klarna button should be listed here, and all that you have to do is follow the instructions in here to pay with Klarna. You will be able to input the exact amount that you want to spend on the Dhgate. So for example, $100, it is going to offer the option to add a little bit extra to cover shipping and tax. And you then can choose the best payment plan for you, either bi-weekly payments or monthly payments. As long as you select the payment plan and you input valid and legitimate card details and contact information, you will be able to create a digital card issued from Klarna that you can use for your next order on the Dhgate. Since you have to input the amount that you are going to be spending manually, I highly recommend that you browse through products and you add all of them to your cart before actually creating the card with Klarna. As long as you have all the items that you are going to be purchasing on Dhgate on your cart by the time that you make the Klarna card, you will be able to go to checkout and create a Klarna digital card to pay for your order. So select the Pay with Klarna button at the bottom of the screen and follow the instructions to set up a Klarna digital card according to how much you want to spend inside of the Dhgate. As long as you have the purchase power necessary and you input a valid amount, you will be able to sign up and use a card on the Dhgate. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Klarna on the Dhgate. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.